We're here at San Gabriel High School, and this is a project that we're going to be, well, actually, you're going to be working with your team. And I would like to see if I can get some questions, ask you some questions
Okay.
regarding your business and how you started your business and the owners and all that stuff. First of all, I want to find out the company name.
Company name is CF Environmental Incorporated.
And what do you all do?
Well, we do environmental consulting for mostly school districts and other government agencies, occasionally commercial and industrial real estate properties, but generally speaking, we deal with school districts exclusively.
Awesome. Do you have any different titles? What's your title?
I'm Chief Executive Officer.
Okay.
So,
any other workers?
My partner Ben Garcia is the Chief Operating Officer and Chief Financial Officer, and he also takes care of lab certifications, air sampling, document control, other office-related duties. He used to be out in the field, but he's beyond retirement age, so he takes care of the office stuff.
Okay. What was the year that you started your business?
We started in 1991 as a partnership. In 1994, we were incorporated, and we're now an S Corp. And we started out as CF Environmental, and then when we incorporated, it became CF Environmental Incorporated.
Mm-hmm. And you're licensed in what county?
We're licensed as environmental and other consulting services. We do asbestos consulting almost exclusively. We're incorporated in LA County. Our office is located at 4017 Alcove Avenue in Studio City, California.
Okay. Based on your market, I believe you mentioned that, but can you elaborate on your target market that you go out and get customers?
We basically target school districts because since 1980, we did our first abatement job for LA Unified School District, and pretty much since then we've marketed to school districts because they have very specific needs. They all share the same problems, the same access issues. It's a very specialized market, and once you get in tune with how a school operates and the needs of each school site or each school district, it's so much different than the public sector that it's just easier for us to maintain our relationship with schools.
You mentioned targeting the school district. What about your competition? Are they more private or public?
Well, you know what? There are other consulting firms that deal exclusively with schools, but most of them market anywhere they can get work, whether it's private homes. A lot of consulting firms market private residences when they remove acoustic ceilings or heating systems. Some go into the commercial market where they work downtown and do a lot of abatement downtown in those types of conditions where you've got multi-story buildings and a lot of occupants and a lot of traffic.
Mm-hmm.
So I think we're one of the few firms that pretty much stays with the school market because it's very time intensive.
Mm-hmm.
It's not just like walking into a commercial building and doing a project and maybe never going back. Our school districts are long-term relationships that we like to.
Have you ever thought about going nationally, opening up other areas in the States?
We have gone and worked in Arizona. We had a client that owned a lot of shopping malls in Phoenix, general area of
Mm-hmm.
Phoenix. So we did a lot of work over there. But it's without having an office established in a certain location, it's rather hard to service your clients. So we try to stay in Southern California.
Are the rules different?
Yes.
The code,
California
right?
is one of the strictest environments to work. Southern California is probably one of the strictest of the counties or air pollution control districts in California.
Okay.
San Francisco is getting a lot more strict, and I think San Diego as well. Orange County's tightening up a little bit.
You work with AQMD? A lot,
Yes.
right?
We have to. It's we're kind of their eyes and ears when it comes to field work. We make sure they're notified of any abatement work that's happening. All the contractors have to notify them that they're doing work, and they do occasionally show up on the job site. So we do have interaction with AT&T.
Perfect. What's your plan for your company?
Plans for the company is to service the clients that we have, keep them happy. We don't advertise. All of our work for the past almost 30 years has come from referrals from school districts. You know, a lot of the maintenance directors go to meetings, then they talk to each other, and if somebody's unhappy with the consultant they have, then our name gets passed around and we pick up a new client. So we don't market to get new clients. We do it basically by referral, and if we keep the clients that we have happy, then we stay busy year round.
Right. Well, thank you very much. I personally want to thank you and your company for helping us out, helping out the district. You do a lot of work to the, you know, especially the abatement part of it. The process of it is a long process, very stringent with the AKMD codes that they have to meet. So you're doing well, and I greatly appreciate it. And thank you very much for this interview.
You're welcome. Thank you, Chip.
Thank you.
Thank you.